Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 blades are making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue is often caused by wear and tear on the blade assembly, which can lead to inefficient blending and potential damage if left unaddressed. Ignoring this problem may result in further complications, ultimately affecting the performance of your device. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, and some cleaning cloths. Begin by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Carefully flip the device over to access the base. Using a suitable screwdriver, remove the screws securing the base cover. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once the cover is off, you'll see the blade assembly. Look closely for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice the blades are dull or chipped, it's time for a replacement. To remove the faulty assembly, carefully unscrew the holding screws, taking care not to strip them. Gently pull the blade assembly out, but be cautious of any connected wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. When you have removed the old assembly, take the new blade assembly and place it into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly and that the screws align properly. Tighten the screws firmly, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to the housing. Reconnect any cables that may have been disconnected earlier, ensuring they are secure. After everything is in place, carefully replace the base cover and insert the screws back into their original positions. Now, flip your Thermomix back to its upright position and plug it in. Test the blades by running a short blending cycle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you still hear any unusual noises, double-check your connections and fittings. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the blade assembly and avoid overloading the device with tough ingredients. Keeping the blades sharp and ensuring proper maintenance will extend the life of your Thermomix. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.